it's Dragon and Wheat here, and today we're with Tyler 2015, and we're just at the park with my dog Kizzy, very peculiar, and we're with the football, and we're just hanging out a bit. Yeah, and watch, she's very good at footballs. And can you please put in the comments, do you think if you think she's a good dog at football or a bad dog at football? Personally, me and Tyler think she's brilliant at football. This is why. Snorting pig, isn't she? Right, now, just to let you know, me and Tyler aren't experts at football, are we, Tyler?
No. Kizzy, smile for the camera.
Smile. Silly dog.